Hello friends, today we are going to discuss one more organic problem, and in this problem the reactant is this one. So by treating reactant with these reagents, one is TMS chloride, okay, lithium bromide and acetonitrile. It is the first condition. Second condition is given in hydrolysis, means workup, okay. So what is your product form? So there are four options in which one is the correct answer, okay. So through mechanism, I want to say that this type of problem have been asked in CSIR net and GATE, okay, and other state level exam like set, okay, it also have been asked, okay. So first of all, if you draw this starting material, so this is your starting material, okay. So reaction is carried out actually in a vessel. You can say that the reaction is carried out in, suppose that this RB, okay, this flask, in this flask, okay, reaction is carried out, means in this reaction is carried out, okay. So in this the medium is here. If you see, they added MECN, okay. So it is the solvent, so solvent will be in excess, okay. So the function of solvent is provide medium for reaction. So only provide medium for reaction. Some extent it can be conjugated with other reagents also, but main purpose is only medium. So student when see this now, then they remind that what is the function of this. So function of this is only and only medium, okay. So you can neglect, okay, because you should be know that this act as a solvent, okay. So the so first, if you there TMS chloride and lithium bromide is added, so means some amount of this reactant is present here, okay. In this they added methyl nitrile, it is act as a solvent, and TMS, the main reagent is this one, TMS and lithium bromide. So what happened when this first condition is added? So if you see this TMS, what is TMS? Trimethylsilyl. TMS is trimethyl chloride, okay. So what happened? So this is used for protection. Which functional group? It is used for protection of primary alcohol. So in this reactant, if you see, there is primary alcohol, this one, okay. So it is the primary alcohol here, okay. So what will be here when you add TMS chloride? Suppose that it is different color, we can mention here. This one, when added in this, it blocks TMS. Suppose that it we mention yellow color, TMS chloride, okay. So it what happened here, this form HCl here, this one and this one, okay. TMS will be added on CH2O. so what will be here, this is your CH2O, means here it will protect to O, and TMS is, what is TMS, means it has been removed, S had been removed, is from HCl, okay. So remaining is silyl, this one, okay. Understand? In the next part will be, so you can say it protects, the position where it is protected is allylic position, okay. So after that one point is very important. If you see this molecule, and if you see this molecule, okay, so what is the difference between this and this? Okay, so first of all, if you see here, this bond is very facile, you can say easily break down, okay, but this bond is strong, okay, because it is 3D and this is 2p, okay, so it having tendency to form multiple bond character, okay, but here if you see, okay, so it is the common concept of here, because TMS is added in the reaction medium, some heat is provided, this bond will be break down and this will form from bond OCS, okay. So it is the basic chemistry of this molecule. So again, what happened here, bromine, again what is added here, lithium bromide. So if you see here, lithium bromide, in this some amount of lithium bromide is also added, okay, so this is lithium bromide, okay, so lithium bromide is added up, okay. So what is the function of lithium bromide? First, the bond is if broken out, this converted to bromine minus, okay, so this bromine will where attack this CH2 and this bond will be removed out, okay. Okay, so after that, this step formation, the molecule which will be formed, this one CH2, this B bromine, okay, bromine CH2Br, okay, so it is allylic bromination, you can say this is allylic bromination, okay. And the other question is, in this the reaction will be, since it is backside attack, so it is SN2 reaction, okay. So after that, what this will form here, and lithium where it will go, it forms some, this is your solvent, so there will be lone pair, so it form a complex with lithium plus, okay, in solution, okay. So your product will be this one, okay. So it is the basic. After that, what happened here, again if you see, this remain as it is, because this form polymeric nature, means some, as such you added in this reactions, it forms polymeric type of this complex. And if here, okay, so here if you see, your product, which is your product will be, because it will be not occur, okay, alene will not form in this will also not form, so only the product will remaining is this one. So this is your product, okay. So if you see in this, okay, so all points have been clear, okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, okay. By which we can again upload videos, more videos related to organic chemistry reactions, okay. So thank you friends for watching this video, okay. So thank you.